Hi, this is Rozani, and I want to tell you today that I really enjoy sharing my creations with you and demonstrating to my viewers and to so many creators. It's a good feeling to know that others are interested in what I do. I really enjoy sharing my interests with you. Masquerading and creating papier-mâché have been a very important part of my life for a long time, and also demonstrating my mask making and papier-mâché projects. That's why I really appreciate the opportunity to share them with you here on YouTube. I would like to say this to all of you. It has truly been a pleasure to demonstrate for you. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and take care.